You can't fix someone who doesn't think they are broken. Let that sink in. You can't change someone who doesn't see a problem with how they treat you. You could cry, beg, explain, overthink, and even blame yourself. But if they don't see it, they won't change it. You are not hard to love. You are just trying to love someone who doesn't want to grow. People don't change because you love them enough. They change because they want to. And if they are still making excuses, flipping the blame, or acting like you're the dramatic one, that's not growth. That's gaslighting. Stop setting yourself on fire to keep someone warm who wouldn't even admit it's cold. You deserve someone who listens, reflects, and genuinely tries. Not someone who only hears you out to keep the cycle spinning. It's not your job to fix someone, it's your job to protect your peace.